Acids, bases and salts. Yes students, this is the topic we are going to study in brief in this video today. This is chapter 4 of class 7. Here I will be giving you a brief outline as to what do we mean by the terms acids, bases and salts. How do we come to know whether a particular substance is acidic, it is basic or it is a salt? There are certain substances which are the indicators which help us to know about this. So as you must have heard in your daily life, whenever mama tells you, beta, don't take the lemon just like this or don't taste the lime just like this, it is going to taste very sour. So what does she mean by that? So there are substances or foods which are like curd, lime, grapes. They sometimes taste very sour. Sour means khatta. So basically what they are trying to say is कि ये जो sour taste करते हैं इन substances को हम क्या बोलते हैं acids. Now there are some other substances like the baking soda. जब आप इनको taste करते हो, do they taste sour? No, they taste bitter. Remember, B for bitter and B for base. So those substances which taste bitter are known as the bases. अब ये कैसे पता चलता है कि ये acid है या base है? There are certain substances which are known as the indicators, about which we will study in detail in my coming video. I can just give you a few examples of these indicators. For example, there is an indicator which is known as litmus paper, and there is a blue litmus paper and there is a red litmus paper. These two litmus paper, they will change their color when they come in contact with the acid or a base, and they will give you a different color. Acid on reacting with a blue litmus paper will give you a red color, whereas a red litmus paper with a base will give you a blue color. B for base, just remember it gives you a blue color in the end. So we have many indicators like China rose, phenolphthalein, turmeric, in addition to the litmus paper. So we will just study about all the changes that are brought about in the color of these indicators when they combine with the acid or the base in the coming videos. So now we know in brief about the acid and the base. But there is another term which we will be discussing in this chapter, and that is the salt. Just remember, when acid and base they combine together, they give us salt. The process is known as neutralization. And why neutralization? Because what we are getting is a neutral substance. So acid will lose its properties, base will lose its properties, and they will form a totally different substance which is known as a salt. So now students, I feel you must have got a brief idea of what we mean by the terms acids, bases and salts. About these we will study in detail in my upcoming video. So stay connected with me on my channel Rise to Shine. Thank you so much students.